What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so first things first, right? I hope the quality or anything does not look different. This is weird because I'm recording on my phone, y'all. I don't know what happened to my camera. It's been like this for a week now, I would say. No, I think I found out this week. I'm not sure. But anyways, I haven't went to go get it fixed or anything because I thought I can get it fixed at Best Buy. But I didn't know, like, you have to have the geek thing or whatever. So this is how my camera looks. Right now, I'm recording off my phone. This is how my camera look, y'all. Okay, yeah, like I was saying, this is why I don't want to record off my phone because people be calling me, texting me, it's going to keep interrupting me, and I'm going to get upset. But anyways, this is how my camera looks. So if you guys know, like, anywhere I can send my camera out, I saw the lens, I saw this, the LSD screen on Amazon. I was going to buy it and do it myself, but I'm scared. But if you guys know anybody, let me know down below because I really know I can't be back. Like, I can't do my phone. And I hope the quality is good. I got the XS, so hopefully it's good. But I am back today with a hair review, guys, and I am back with one of my favorite companies, which is Afsisterwig. Now I gotta read the details on this hair. See, me not having my camera is causing so much chaos for me. Like, now I gotta go on my laptop. I'm really excited about this wig, and I know you guys are going to be too. But let me just go to my Gmail real quick, and I'm gonna tell you guys all the important details. How does camera look, y'all? Let me know. I feel like I look so off. That's just wasting time. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the hair. Y'all see I have not opened the hair yet, and I love Afsister packaging. So after I take the hair out the thing, I get a paper that I'm gonna read to you guys. I get, what is this I get? Best wishes. Aww. We're so lucky to keep working with you. Wish you happy every day. Thank you so much. Like, I be needing stuff like this when they be like, hope you happy every day, because you guys know we be having, you know, our down days. So whenever I see them write me wish you be happy every day, that joy makes me happy because it's like I need that. This wig right here, y'all. This, okay, so when you take the wig out, you got the box, you got the hair thing, but that doesn't matter. It's about the wig right now. This wig right here, y'all. Oh my god. This wig, all I'm gonna say is this wig saves you a lot of time. This wig, you can literally install it within 10 minutes. And I'm gonna do that for you guys. Next week, I'm going to install this wig for you guys in 10 minutes, y'all. You guys are gonna see I don't have to do nothing to it, y'all. No nothing. This is the Invisible Knot Wig, y'all. Let me know if you see knots. Nothing. You don't see nothing. Oh my god. You don't have to bleach nothing. Look at that, y'all. Do y'all see that? That's straight scalp already. Like, I know you guys see that. That's scalp already. I wish I had a regular one to show you guys the difference. Let me show you guys the difference. Hold on. Dang, I got mad hair over here. Hold on, I'm gonna show you guys the difference. So, I'm gonna show you guys these knots compared to the invisible knots. Okay. So, with these knots, you see how these knots look? Like, you can see it. Like, it just looks bad. Not bad, but you can see the knots. Do you see that? Alright. Now look at this one. I know you guys see that difference, because I do. I know you guys see the difference. This is straight scalp, y'all. This is scalp. Scalp. Y'all hear me? Scalp. Now look at this one. I wish I could show you guys both together. Let me see if I can show it to you guys. You guys see the difference? I like how natural this look, and you can see all the knots. This is the Invisible Lace Wig. A plus that I like about Afsister, I finally get one of these. It's like a bra strap. So that means you can adjust it to how tight you want it to be, y'all. Y'all know how the band get loose over time? Well, this one, you don't have to worry about that because you can adjust it like the bra strap. So this is a plus with this wig too. This is a 13 by 6. I believe this is 16 inches. Okay. I can't wait to install this wig. Look at all that parting space I have. Look at them. You don't even see them knots, y'all. Listen, I'm giving a heads up to all these companies out here. Y'all better get with it or get lost, because listen, Afsister about to be taking everybody money with these invisible knots like this. These type of laces save so much time, y'all. Y'all don't have to bleach, pluck. And look at bro, yeah, look at the plucking too. Y'all don't have to bleach, pluck, do nothing. Nothing. Oh my gosh. First of all, it gives you a natural look off rip. Like, you don't have to, you know how for beginners, I feel like this is a great beginner wig, y'all. You don't have to do anything. It already gives you the natural feel, the natural look, the natural scalp. But I'm going to go ahead and try on this wig for you guys. You guys are lucky because this wig isn't glued down. So you guys are lucky. This is a closure, not glued down. So I'm going to go ahead and try on this wig, y'all. Oh my God. Oh my God. I love this wig. It looks so natural, like, y'all. Yeah. Okay, hold on. I know what look I'm gonna do with this. I know what look I'm gonna do next week for this. Oh, look at these knots, y'all. Hold on. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at these knots. I'll make sure I get a screenshot. Look at these knots, y'all. Hold on, Afsister, y'all be doing the thing, man. Y'all made me curse. You guys already know what look I'm doing. I'm going for a natural look. This hair feels soft. It's amazing. And I got the band in it, and it's like real tight already on my thing. I have the band on it, on the tightest. Yeah, I'm feeling for this wig. I love y'all. Thank you so much for always choosing me to review you guys' products. Even send me encouraging words every day. Like, I love it. I thank you guys so much, y'all. And I even thank you for this bomb wig, because your girl's about to be styling, you feel me? And I might just keep this black. This is made to stay black. Like, I don't think I have a natural, like, length compared to my hair wig, because this is literally how my hair is. But I don't think I have a natural wig like this. So I'm going to keep this black, and I'm going to do some nice curls in this hair, because I'm really feeling it. Like I said, y'all, this is 13 by 6. 13 by 6. Invisible Knot Wig. Oh, I don't even want a middle part in this. You guys know I always do middle parts. A middle part look fine too, but the side part is doing the damn thing. It's doing the thing. Oh my God. Oh my God. I got that from CJ. So cool, y'all. That's why I'm saying it so much. Oh my. Well, first of all, hold on. Do you guys see my teeth? Ooh, my teeth look good. My teeth look good. But yeah, I'm feeling this wig. Oh my God. I love Afsister so much. So let me just read the email in case I had to tell you guys other things. But yeah, I believe I have a coupon code for you guys. Yep, I do, to save 10% off. The coupon code is gonna be right here on the screen. Hold on, wait, y'all. I just want to say that today I hit 35K on YouTube, y'all, and I just want to say thank you guys so much. If it wasn't for you guys, of course, I would not be here today. Thank you so much for even watching, liking, subscribing, sharing, whatever you're doing. God knows what you're doing, y'all. I don't know what you guys are doing, but God knows what you're doing. I just want to thank all you guys for supporting me. And on our road to 36K now. We're on the road to 36K. Let's get it. Let's go. 50K, I'm going to be doing a huge hair giveaway. Maybe with three people. Maybe 40K, but you guys have to share. Make sure you tell everybody to subscribe, because we're going to do a big hair giveaway, either 40K or 50K. I'm not sure yet, y'all, but I'm going to let you guys know. But anyways, y'all, this is a 16-inch wig, 150 density, medium cap, which is 22.5, and the lace is 13 by 6, like I said, which I love because I like deep parts now. But this hair is natural, y'all. I love it. But I love this lace. This is a transparent knotless lace, and I'm really jacking it. It looks so real. If y'all companies don't do what Afsister is doing, I better get with it or get lost, because I'm telling you, Afsister gonna take everybody money out here, and y'all gonna wonder why nobody is shopping at your hair site no more is because this is in now. We don't have to bleach our knots anymore now. We don't have to pluck our hair anymore now. Afsister is doing it for us, y'all. Afsister is doing all the hard work for us, y'all. But anyways, let me stop chat. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know how the quality looks on my phone. Like, I hope it's not bad. But on the road to 36K, man. Let's get it. Let's go. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family. And of course, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Don't forget to check out all the wig details will be down below. Get your wig right now. Your transparent lace. Don't have to do nothing. If this is your first wig, beginner, get this wig. You're gonna regret it, y'all. I'm telling you, it's a beginner wig. It's a beginner wig. It's a beginner wig. I'll see you guys in the next video.
I'm packing the air, this gas or what? He'll still be alive right now if you niggas ain't gas him up. Give my shorty stingers and guns, I tell them slap for nothing.